In today's video, we are going to make Ebunuebunu. This soup, oh my goodness, is very nice. So the very first time I had this, it was Sister Jenna who prepared it for me. A deeper life woman that I stayed with. Okay, it was so nice because I don't eat fufu. I paired with my banku, soft banku, and oh my goodness, it was nice. Yes, so I decided to make this for my husband today, and he is having it for the first time, and trust me, he chewed his teeth. I mean, he really enjoyed it. Okay, so starting the soup, I'm just going to prepare my fufu down because he does not want his fufu to be very hot, and then the soup too will be hot. So I'll prepare the fufu so that whilst the fufu is cooling down, we will start with the soup. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome. We do easy, healthy cooking recipes. And if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So I used fufu flour that I bought from the shop. Okay, you can get it at the supermarket, you can get it at your local market or at the African shop. So now the fufu is ready. I have my spinach. You can use your kontomire. Okay, so I have some spinach. I added some moringa leaves. I'll just go and boil that. Okay, now I have my pepper, onion, tomatoes, my snails. I'm just going to cook this as well. Then when I'm done with everything, I will show you how it looks. So on the other hand, I have my fish here. I'm just going to clean it very well, then make sure I smoke it. Okay, thank you so much for being with me, my returning subscribers. I love you so much. So I'm just going to pull that out, and then I will clean it very well, wash it very well with my lemon juice. Now I'll add my salt and then let it stay for a while. Then we proceed. But before that, I'll go ahead and add my all-purpose seasoning as well. Okay, you can omit it if you don't want it. Thank you so much. Now let it stay for a while. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks. I've dried it very well with my paper towel. I'll just put it in the oven and then I'll share with you how it looks. Now my moringa leaves and then the spinach are cooked. I'm just going to add my turkey berries, my onion, tomatoes, and pepper, the one that we boiled earlier. I'm just going to blend all these ingredients and then I will get back to you. So because I'm not going to strain it after blending, I will make sure I blend it very smooth. Okay, so if you want to strain it, you can go ahead and strain it. So whilst that is we are blending that, I have my crab, I have my good meat, I have my tolo beef. I've added the snails that we bought. Okay, now I'm just going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then we will steam this very well. Okay, on a very lower heat. You can go ahead and add your seasoning, or if you don't want it, that is fine. Okay, so I've added that. I did not add any salt because of the tolo beef. Now I'll go ahead and add the ingredients that we blended. I did not strain it as I said earlier. So I know someone judged me from the beginning that, hey, you did not clean your crab. I cleaned it very well. It's because of presentation purposes. That's why I covered it. So just look at that. If you judge me from the beginning, when you will, shame on you. Don't mind me, that is just by the way. Now I have my mushrooms here. I'm just going to add it to my soup. I have some momoni in place of kobi. I mean salted tilapia. I don't have that, so I'm just going to pour this in my soup, and the momoni took the soup to the next level. It was so nice. I'll just go ahead and add my tuna, the fish we grilled. I will add my grilled smoked tilapia. If you want the recipe, I have it on this channel or on my YouTube channel at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please check it out. I'll just pour all this fish and then we proceed. Have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't done so, can you please do so for me? Thank you so much for your time. Okay, so I will add all the fish. This tastes so good. It was so nice, very nice. So at this moment you can just go ahead and taste for your salt. If the salt is okay, if it is not okay and you want to add more, it depends on you. But I added the tilapia lastly because it is not that strong. Okay, so just look at that, so beautiful. This was nice. I paid my weight Ebunuebunu, and it was nice. I have the Ebunuebunu recipe on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Please check it out, you will love it. So now this is how it looks, and it looks very beautiful. Now our soup is ready. The salt is okay, everything is okay, and we are going to pair it with the fufu. So as I told you earlier, because of presentation purposes, that's why I had that. Okay, I like beautiful things, don't mind me. So now I've removed it and I'll add it to it later when I'm doing the thumbnail, if only I will need it. Now I will just pour it on the fufu and just look at that. Oh my gosh. This was nice though. I paired mine with Ebunuebunu and it was nice. Please check the recipe of the Ebunuebunu on my channel or Facebook page. You will love it. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.